Hey guys, welcome back to Motor Mania. Today, we're diving into something sleek, stylish, and surprisingly versatile, the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250. A fresh take on a compact cruiser that's been quietly making waves this year. Whether you're new to riding or just looking for a reliable urban cruiser, this one deserves your attention. Right out of the gate, the 2025 Bolt 250 grabs you with its minimalist design. It's stripped down, no nonsense, and it brings that classic bobber style that Yamaha's been refining for years. The round LED headlamp, blacked out exhaust, and low-slung frame give it that aggressive attitude, without overdoing it. It's clean, it's confident, and it screams personality in a way that doesn't try too hard. Under the hood, you're looking at a 250cc air-cooled V-twin engine. Now I know what you're thinking, 250cc doesn't sound like much, but Yamaha's tuned it just right for urban cruising and weekend rides. It's got just enough punch to make the ride feel alive, but not so much that it intimidates beginner riders. Smooth acceleration, responsive throttle, and a surprisingly throaty exhaust note for its size. It's definitely not the quiet kid in the back of the class. One of the big wins for the Bolt 250 is its comfort. The seat height is just under 27 inches, which makes it super approachable for shorter riders or anyone who wants to flat foot at a stoplight. The mid-mounted foot controls give you a relaxed, upright position that's perfect for city commuting or open road cruising. It doesn't matter if you're stuck in traffic or carving through backroads, this bike keeps things chillin' under control. Let's talk handling. At around 370 pounds wet, this bike is light and nimble. The low center of gravity makes it super stable, and the telescopic forks up front paired with dual rear shocks in the back soak up bumps better than you'd expect for a cruiser in this class. It's not trying to be a sport bike, but it does give you a confident lean when you want to have a little fun on twisty roads. Yamaha didn't skimp on the tech either. The Bolt 250 comes with a digital LCD display tucked into a retro-style round housing. It's simple, easy to read, and gives you everything you need: speed, fuel, gear position, and even a trip meter. ABS is available as standard, which is always a good call, especially for newer riders. Fuel economy, you're looking at around 70 miles per gallon, depending on how hard you ride. That's a big deal in today's world of rising fuel prices. And with a 3.2-gallon tank, you've got decent range for weekend rides without stopping every hour for gas. Now for the real kicker, the price. Yamaha has priced the Bolt 250 to be competitive, keeping it affordable for entry-level riders without sacrificing quality. It's not a budget bike pretending to be something it's not. You get Yamaha's solid engineering, reliable performance, and that distinct cruiser vibe, all wrapped up in a package that won't break the bank. In short, the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 is a bike that just makes sense. It's fun without being over the top, stylish without being flashy, and comfortable without being bulky. Perfect for city dwellers, weekend riders, or anyone who just wants to enjoy the ride without overcomplicating things. So if you're in the market for your first bike, or maybe just looking to add a simple cruiser to your garage, the Bolt 250 might just be the sweet spot you didn't know you were looking for. That's it for today's ride. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you ride the Bolt 250, or are you holding out for something bigger? Either way, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more two-wheeled goodness right here on Motor Mania. Catch you in the next one.